Hey guys, so I got a 2013 Cruze, Chevy Cruze here. It's got this little leak going on from here to there, and it's leaking. So I'm gonna try to fix this issue. What we need to do is we need to pull this pin and not lose it. We need to undo this guy right there. Pull this hose off, and there's a clip also right here that has to come off too. I'll go over that in a second. I'm going to replace it with this right here, this part. This is the part number. They don't sell this at AutoZone or O'Reilly's or any place like that. You got to get it from the GM dealer. And let's go to town on this thing and see what happens. So yeah, give me 1 second. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this part, this little guy, off of the hose there, okay? And a little bit of we're gonna have some, I read that this is gonna happen, so you can see that it's sheared off here. This is broke. I'll show you that, and it's down in here. So we gotta get that out. There's the pieces down in there, so we'll grab that. I'm not sure we got to take this off. I said that originally we would have to take this, but it doesn't look like it. It looks like this is the piece we'll need. As soon as some of that goes down, let me get some. There we go. So get some air out there. Maybe. It's still flowing a little more. All right. Well, anyway, got this part off. We're going to hook this here, this guy right there. Don't break this, that would not be good. We're going to take some pliers, and I'm going to replace this hose clamp, so I don't care if it breaks. But, I'm going to squeeze that. I need 2 hands, so hold on. Hang on. Here we go. I'll just take it off. Hold on, for the sake of time, I went ahead and pulled this pin. Okay, so I pulled this pin out. This guy pops up like so. Yeah, I'm gonna wash that, so don't freak out. Anyway, that one piece is in here. I gotta get it out. So let me find something to get it out real quick. Be right back. Okay, so the only thing I could find was this little screwdriver. Get this. This just slides down in. Look, check it out. So, boom, it's popped in. And then we need to get this. Maybe. We don't want that going down in there, whatever the crud is. Okay, hold on a minute. Okay, so this is what came out of that. That is actually part of the other, that's what happened. It broke in there, and it's known on these guys. So down in here, that's where your new hose will go. But if I get the old hose, you can see this piece broke off into there. So that's what happens. All right, so let me get the new hose, get it installed, and I'll try to hold this and see how it works. Okay, I put that guy back in, right? So I got new hose clamps too. So get these AutoZone. That other one's a pain. This one's easier to clamp on. Okay, and here's the other end. I'm going to take this piece off right here. Maybe. Let me see if I can. So it's pretty easy to get off. Just slides right off. Boom, just like that. Cool. There you go. I'm gonna put that right here so I don't lose it. And then we're gonna run back here. Now this is gonna be a pain because it's a brand new hose, so it's gonna be pretty tight. Oh, actually, it went on pretty well. Okay, cool. So I'll tighten that in a minute. I'm gonna go in this. See this right here? Boom. And here we go. We're gonna, you know, before I do that, I want to put this little clip back in. So this clip goes right here. Here, hold on a second. All right, I got the pin back in there. It's not hard to do. It goes right in this slot. It was hard to hold the phone and do that at the same time. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this guy right in here like so. Boom, right? And then we got this little clip. And yeah, the clip goes right there. Give it a little tug. Not coming out. Good. Looks tight. Now we're going to tighten the hose clamp. I'm sure you guys know how to do that. We'll slide it up, and then tighten it up. I'll do that real quick. Hold on. There it is. Finished. Easy enough. 5-minute job. If you know, I've never done that before. So there it is.